glitching.
Go! That's the glitch! Oh my god! It's just a picture of police station! Guys! It's a glitch! How is that happening? Guys? I think it's not this game!
At least
Oh my god! They just got sent to the hell!
Guys, ito po, kasama natin si Kali. Sumisigaw po, gumagawa din po siya ng kasi may fishing boat.
That's the glitching boat! Oh my god, that was the boat!
Glitching, guys.
Guys! Guys!
Ay, lumipad ako sa glitch. Kali, lumilipad tayo sa glitch.
Oh my god, guys!
Guys, may glitch po dito. Tapos si Kali nangingay dahil sa glitching. Gumagawa din po siya ng video.
Guys! This is so horrifying!
Look at that glitch.
Oh my god, guys! I got sent to the ends by the bam! 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 Right, guys? Am I right?
Adlising, umalis na glitch. Ay, adlising bag. Wag,
The glitch is back! Wait!
Guys, oh.
Wait on your hoses!
Lagi, may glitching.
Guys! It's the glitch! Oh! It's the glitch! Guys! Guys!
Kali, wag ka maingay. Gumagawa din ako ng video.
Oh my god, guys! I got sent to the hell, guys! Where are you, rabbit? Oh my god, I got sent
Guys,
to the
may
hell!
glitch po dito, guys. Tingnan niyo po yan. Mang! Lumilipad yung boat ko, Bong. Yes, Bong.
Guys! Yuri!
Guys, may glitch, guys. Kali, wag ka na nga English. Wag ka na nga English, Kali. Yung video ko, hindi ka nila natitindihan.
English naman lahat ang tao sa ano ah.
Pwede din Tagalog. May Tagalog na video. Ay! Lumipad! Lipad! Kaya ko lumipad!
Lumilipad! Meron dito glitch! Lumilipad!
Oh my
Takbo,
God,
Gabi!
na-stuck na ako
Takbo
doon.
tayo!
Hindi ako tumakbo kasi maganda yung list. Lumilipad tayo. Guys. Ayun po guys. Ayun po yun ulit yung glitch. Wow guys.
Guys! Here I come!
Ate!
Here I come! Ito na ako, Gabi! Tutulungan kita!
video glitch. Guys. Ito na po guys. The pool party, wow!
Gawa tayo pool party! Kunyari ito magkambal tayo.
You know what's crazy? The Saints Go Marching In meme is still massive. It's been a year, and I still see new videos popping up.
Pool party tayo!
Ang kad nito ah.
And hundreds of thousands of likes. I tell you what though, thank you guys. Honestly, crazy as hell.
Gabin punta sa Limit!
Guys, ito po. Prank natin siya.
Guys, nalipad ako sa heaven! Guys, talaga nalipad ako sa heaven! Nalipad niya ako eh, dito! Kaso, hindi ako namatay! Asan ka, Gavin?